I keep talking about Ransom, but y'all just don't know how happy it makes me to see him walking normal. He's not taking those choppy steps anymore. Oh, y'all, this just makes me smile every morning when I come out here.
Hey, Nutria. Hey, Nutria.
Hey, Big Mama. Hi, little 5'4". Good morning. Hello, little 5'4". Good morning. Well, Tater, good morning. Good morning. Hey. Little A. No. Tater. Baby Mama, I'm sorry. I'm coming. Mind your own business. Stay in your lane. Stop being so hateful. Yeah, just take the... I don't have an apple treat. I don't have an apple treat. No, you're going to take the carrot or you're going to get nothing. Now, I'm sorry. Lord. Baby Mom, I'm coming, girlfriend. I'm so sorry. Come here. Baby Mama. Good morning. Hey. Hey, sweetheart. Hello, little A. I'm sure you started this problem. Good morning. Hey. Good morning, girl. You looking plump too. Yes, you are. You're looking plump too. Oh, Lord, don't go. Where are you going? Where's she going? Well, I mean, you're okay right there, but I've never seen you go to the building before. I might met her. I don't think she's living in there, but you never know.